Alright, so the secondary switch, secondary switch ain't working. And then this pan is filled with water. So, see that? It's filled with water up to the very rim line, which is probably coming off of here. Honestly, what's happening is probably when it runs, comes out here, comes down here, and drips down the attic. So we're gonna have to clear that. Primary is probably clogged. Primary needs to be cleared as well. So I need to clear this primary line right here. I'll check if there's any water. Honestly, there's no water. There's no water in this primary. So, wondering if this coil possibly cracked. We'll have to take a look and see. Perfect. No more water. Some more water in there. It's empty. Perfect. Let's clear this condensate. Go ahead and pressurize it. Let's go ahead. Let's glue this back. Get this screw open. I forgot to. Dang it. I forgot to get my tool and open this because the glue. Oh, damn. Finally got it open. glue that. Perfect. All right, now let's get up in here, check this filter. Let's go check this filter real quick. It's tight. Attic space. So, and the pan goes all the way over here. That's clear. Kind of want to see. Take this plug out. Is there water? I'll take it out in a second. Oh, there's no filter in there. Take a picture. I can barely move. This freaking attic space is so dang small, dude. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I know this is a short video. It was some minor stuff that I needed to fix. So basically the customer was saying that there was water dripping out of the attic opening. And then, so I came out and I looked and the pan was filled with water. So the pan was right next to the attic opening. What I did was I took all the water out of the pan. I cleared the condensate. Obviously we'll come back. She's not gonna be running the AC for about a month now because she's doing construction. So we'll come back in about a month just to check and see if that pan is cracked, if there's water going to be dripping into that pan. So we'll do another video on the updated, process and everything, but that's just something small and simple. We got the job done. Join the hvac community, like and subscribe. I'll get more videos out. The seasons are changing, so where it comes and goes, but it doesn't matter. Appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe.